Hello everyone, welcome to Asto. Hope you enjoyed our previous session. So today what we are going to see is nothing but we are going to build a horizontal list. We are mostly see horizontal list form in variety of applications as in form of categories, sections, etc. Right. So today what we are going to build is we are going to build basically build a horizontal list view in the form of categories. Okay. I have a different categories. I'm going to handle it in a form of horizontal list view. Okay, so first of all let me have a view on my project. This is my project. Okay, in my pubspec file I didn't use any dependencies or packages, right? So I just conveyed that I am using an asset folder where in my asset folder I have a icons for my horizontal list. Okay, I have icons here which will be used for my category sections. Okay, so I just mentioned it here, and then I use I did update my pubspec file, and coming to my main dot file I have created a page in the form of stateful widget, and I have a categories in the form of list with a name and with an icon path. So for this icon I'm going to use this name. Okay, in that manner we are going to create our horizontal list view. And coming to a body, we are having like I have my scaffold with the background color as black. Okay, so let me start building our categories, right? So first thing, let me have our body as, since it is a scroll view, I am going to use as a single child scroll view. Here I am going to have text as category with horizontal list view. So it will be like a column, right? So I have to give a child as column. I have to implement everything inside a column in form of children's. So I'm going to have two children, which is nothing but a text and with a horizontal list view builder. Okay, so first let me have my size block with a spacing from top. To arrange it in a center manner, I'm using a size block with a size of 250. It is nothing but a white space. It will give us a white space, right? Next thing, I'm going to have my I'm going to have a text, right? I'm going to have a text. So this is something but I'm going to have a text, right? Yeah, I'm going to have a text with name of categories. And I'm going to give some styling. Let me give a style as text style with the font size of 40, font weight of bold, and with the font style as italic, right? So I'm going to have a style in form of italic. We will use the font style dot italic. And finally I'm going to have a color as white. It will be looks perfect, right? So I'm going to use the color as white. So we have our text with a kind of style, and I have to arrange this text in a center. so I have to give a alignment, right? For that I'm using a text align. Text align as center. So I am going to use alignment, text align instead of text alignment. Okay, that would be literally fine. So yeah, we designed our text in a center manner with a style of italic font and in a bold manner. Next, between my list view and the text view I need a space, right? For that I'm giving a sized box with, let me give a height of 40. Okay, now everything is ready. Like we are ahead to build our categories. Okay, for that, first thing, let me have my own container which is going to contain all the icons and text. I have used it in a form of list. So let me give a height as 150. You may give height of container according to the height of the images, like height of the icon we are going to use, right? So according to that you can use it. So my child is list view dot builder. I will have a builder in the form of index and context. So as I previously said, it is an horizontal list. For that I'm going to use access dot horizontal, and item count as my list name dot count, sorry, dot length I seen that it could be like we can have this list map inside our state class, so that only we can get rid of this categories error. Okay, so everything is ready. Now I'm going to have my another container with inside a column so I'm going to use a container which returns my column as children with another container as age insert dot all of 10, and with the margin size as age insets with I'm going to give a margin size as for only for left. Okay, so let me give margin as left of 20. I'm going to have a decoration for the box. By using a box decoration we can change the view as in form of like whether it has to be in form of square, rectangle, or in form of circle, etc. So in these things these decoration things we can handle using box decoration. For my box I'm using a color as some deep as accent color. Let me take as orange, right? And with the border radius as here I'm going to use a border radius as 100, which is like circular, which will gives me a circular edged square format. Okay, so I'm going to use it as 10, so it will be okay, like it will give a perfect view for me. And next we are having another child with our image asset. Asset with, so here what we are going to use is nothing but we are calling our list of icon path, which will be here used as a images, right? So icon path, okay, fine. Next let me have a height as 100. You can give your own height according to a customer requirement, right? For a good view I'm using as height and weight as 100. You can use even a 10, okay? It's all about your requirement. Then sized box with height of 10, because yeah, I'm using a size boxes. I have an image and then with some space I have to give for each image I have to give the respective name, right? So that I'm using a sized box instead of like that. So yeah, almost we have done. Final thing is we have to add a text at the text for respective icons, right? Text as categories of name, okay, for each index and with a certain name. Not the text box, just the text, okay. So here we are going to use our text style, okay. By using a text we are going to give a images, right? So I'm having my text style with the color as colors in form of white. You can give your any color for a text as per your requirement. So I need to align this text as center, as like we previously declared, right? So as like here we are going to use the text align as center. So yeah, it's almost everything done. So yeah, now you build a cool horizontal list view categories, okay. So you can, as I said, you can modify this horizontal list view category as per your requirements, okay. So hope you enjoyed our session. Please keep on seeing our videos, and if you have any queries you can ask through in a comment. We will reply soon as possible. Thanks for your support. Thank you.